Hi, I am Chevy Adriaans. I am from South America, a small country called Suriname. I am going into my junior year now, and I'm studying electrical engineering with a minor in business analytics at Alfred University. So I heard about Alfred back in 2018-19 when I was an exchange student in Sayo, which is a small town about 20 minutes from Alfred. I came back to visit my host family. We were talking about college, so we came to Alfred, and that's where my attention got taken by the engineering program. So the transfer process for me, since I was already in college back home, I transferred from South America, Suriname, to Alfred University. At first, I thought it was going to be difficult. It was a lot of paperwork for sure, but because of the faculty and the help from Alfred University, they made it easier. I had a great advisor, also the vice president helped me a lot in order getting me my paperwork. What surprised me about the transfer experience to Alfred is how much you can find in such a small community. Like, as you know, it's in a lot of people, you will hear that comment, it's in the middle of nowhere. But when you come to Alfred, you will see that there's a lot to offer than just a small community. A lot of opportunities that comes with it, and great programs, engineering programs especially. So that's what really surprised me. So how do I make friends? Great question. Um, so I'm a very open-minded person. I came with an open-minded mindset. So when I came here, I was like, okay, I gotta do something. I don't want to sit around, so I gotta join at least a club or something. So then I got approached by some of the rugby players, and they asked me like, oh, do you want to play rugby? And at first I said no, but yes, my roommate, he's the one who joined, and he asked me like, oh, you got to join with him. And he was the only one I knew in the first semester. So I joined with him, and I'm happy I joined it. Rugby is a great experience. That's where I got most of my friends. And that is just a small portion. Even for those who are not into sports, I would say join clubs. I have joined several clubs. The International Students Club, for example, is also one of them, where you meet a lot of those people. The 3D Printing Club is also one of them. And I have met a bunch of people through all these different clubs, which is really nice. Like I said, small school, lots of opportunity. What is it like being an electrical engineering major at Alfred? I would say a lot of people say engineering is a challenging major, especially combining it with sports. But one thing that I like about Alfred is the professors. The professors are very friendly. They're more like a friend to you. They're very supportive. They come to your games. They watch your games. So I would say that makes the engineering part a little bit more easier. And another thing that I like about it is the hands-on experience that we get. They're also free in letting you explore your challenge or your major, what you want to. So if you have an idea of a project, you're not limited to a certain project or to their idea. You're free to express your own ideas. For other people who are looking into transferring to Alfred, I would say just do it. Connect with one of the faculty if you're having problems. International student, if you're an international student, I would say they can easily link you to another international student. We have great student ambassadors also, so there's a possibility if you don't want to talk directly to a faculty, you can also just connect to one of the students and they can help you with that transfer process or just give you advice, talk about how it is and what you can expect here at Alfred University.